Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am going to just kind of show you guys how I am doing my month in review. This is my first time doing it for ever, really. I've never really done anything like this. So I just made a whole mess, of course, of all these cutouts. So I kind of put it all in this container. So that way it's all in one spot and I have everything that I could possibly need for, besides I'm trying to do limited embellishments and just kind of use my paper as my embellishments. Because these really should be super easy and quick and just simple. So I'm using these cards right here for my every month, just to say what month it is, and yeah, that's really it. Just using those as the month. This is the collection that I'm using. I cannot remember what it's called. I did add a couple of other just cards in there. Oh, here's the collection. It's by Echo Park and it's called Just Be You. And so I really thought this was cute. I used another collection with it that I had in my stash because of course it wasn't enough to do all 12 months. So I'm going to be using these and making like some, just embellishments probably. Here is some cut-aparts, like I said, that I did, and then here are some punches with like some paper and I also fussy cutted a lot of the embellishments from the paper. So I have that. So let me show you guys so here's my sticker sheet that I have left over. I'm going to be using all of this up. And then this is the other collection that I'm using, Hello Darlin', and I actually just left it in here because just in case I needed any more papers. So I'm just going to really quickly show you guys what my layouts are going to look like, because these right here are already done. It's just basically adding the pictures and then doing like a little bit of embellishments. So let me just move this out of the way really quickly and show you guys what I am doing as I just try to figure this all out. Okay, so let me show you guys a finished page actually first, and then go from there, because these are all the pages. So I only have 2 months done. I still have to do March. And then I still need to work on, this is my front page for 2020. So I think I'm going to do like some stitching on it, or just maybe even leave it by itself. I don't know. But I'm just leaving this blank for right now to kind of figure it out. But this is my front page for 2020. And then here is the first page of January. So I have like a little space right here where I can write my notes, and then I just did like a couple of like different different small photos, so that way I'm not like putting all big photos on it. And then the big photos I have as like kind of like my favorites or my most memorable ones. So for this month, me and Stella had our first tea party. Her cousin came, and yeah, we both ended up with the flu. So that's Stella with the flu, and that's Mommy at the doctor's with the flu. So I will definitely journal about that, but that is January, and I will certainly show this when I'm all done. I just wanted to show you guys my kind of process of how I'm handling this. So then this is February, so I just have a couple of photos, Stella and her doctors, and then I just kind of flipped it so it's not all the same, but it's the same pieces. and same number of photos. And then I just have like some stickers on there and just, yeah, that's it. I painted Stella's nails. We went shopping for a couch, but we didn't get it. That's Valentine's Day. And Stella's dentist. And this was like the last day that she had her binky in her mouth, because after that we did not have it. Because the dentist was like, you need to get rid of it. So yeah. And then these are the ones that are already done. Like I just need to, these are just like extras of the sheets that I have in case I want to use them. And so each one I have set up. I have already like the base page kind of done. This one has its cards that I'm going to be using for this month. And then here is the other sheet. And then so this is going to be the backing for all my photos, is this paper right here. So I did this for each month, except for I didn't add like the embellishments for this month, just because I didn't want it to get lost. So here is this page, and then here is the pages that I will be using. And it just kind of goes on. So I'm pretty excited to have this semi done. I am looking forward to actually getting this whole year done. And then I'll show you guys the back page. The back page is basically this was actually the cutout. This was the, what is that called? I don't know. The stencil of the cutout. Sorry if you hear my dog barking. But I'm going to do something with this too. But I figured it would be cool to use that. So that is my month in review layout so far. I will definitely show you guys when I am completely done this whole year. I'm looking forward to it, and I cannot wait to add more photos and just kind of document. I know it's going to be crazy with March having the coronavirus and everything. That's probably going to be my main thing. But I just wanted to show you guys what I am working with. I hope you guys are staying safe. And if you're doing year in review, comment down below and let me know any tips or tricks that you do for the year. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!